making a short video here since I had enough gold players to get the set. We're trying to get Guy Lafleur, and it's an 80% chance to get him. So let's open these gold player packs first. Let's see if we could get pull something fucking insane before that. We get a Jared Spurgeon. Let's open up another one. Got Andreas Antonsuo. Let's open up another one. Alright. So, the Big Daddy, the big thing, the big plays. Guy Lafleur, please be Guy Lafleur in this pack. Oh, we're gonna open this first one here.
The captain takes it into the offensive end, dangles around the defender, Richard scores!
Mark Messier. Oh no.
Messier!
This is scary.
The team on his back, and they're off to the Stanley Cup!
Trying to clear, that's poked away. A panel behind.
Centered out in front, right on the doorstep. Here's a shot, quick save.
Oh
on the
no.
backhand, now tucks it in. He scores!
Gordy.
Howe! Mr. Hockey delivers again.
Don't do this to me, bro.
Off the draw.
Don't do this to me, bro.
Behind his own end.
It's kept in at the line.
Nah,
Stepping
bro.
around as attacker in front. Rishot scores. He scores.
Nah, bro.
Overtime. Jean Beliveau wins it.
Nah, bro. Don't do this to me, bro.
From his own end, takes him behind the net, trying to escape the zone.
Spins around back hit. Finally breaks out across his own end. Lead pass into the offensive zone. Drop pass. Score.
Let's go!
Shot. The flower.
We
Guy
get
Lafleur makes
Guy Lafleur! Oh my god, that was scary, bro. We had Mark Messier. Let's see his stat. Heart and soul. Like, what the fuck do you get for that? Get face-offs. That's interesting. That's a pretty interesting one. You get shut down. Not really one I would want from him. You get balance from this guy. Nothing too special. Jean Beliveau, obviously I would have to pick him. Oh my god, dude. Guy Lafleur, look at this bad boy. Swarm and Speedster. Unbelievable. Look at that wrist shot power. Oh, I am selecting Guy Lafleur. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We get Guy Lafleur. He's added to the roster. Let's show you my roster. Yeah, I might as well put this defenseman on there as well. So we're gonna take off Claude Giroux, put in Guy Lafleur. Where is he? Guy Lafleur. There we go. Gonna put him on the. I'm gonna put him on the. Yeah, the second line here. I like that. Behind Mario Lemieux. I like this. I like this. I think I'm gonna put. Nah, I'll keep it like that. And for defense, because for some reason I cannot sell this guy at all. Let me know in the comment section below. I take out Dougie Hamilton or Aaron Ekblad. I'm taking one of them out and I'm putting this bad boy back in because for some reason he can't be sold. But I do have potentially an offer of a trade. Just gonna wait a few days, so I'm gonna just play with him. And then goaltending, we have Martin Brodeur and this bronze player I bought for like 2,000 coins. Has Distributor, Spark, and Swarm. And then our head coach, obviously, Brian Fiddler. He costs like 20k. So hope you guys enjoyed that little update video of me opening my other icon pack. And take care.